Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another new releases video for you. I'm actually pre-filming this, which is why I'm in the same sweater that I wore in last week's video, but if you guys follow me on social media or if you are in the Facebook group, you will know that I actually surprised my dad in Ireland last Saturday. So that is where I am right now when you're watching this video, and I'm coming back the following Monday, the 26th. So I didn't want to miss new releases because our processing time is 1 to 2 weeks. So since I was only gone for 10 days, I didn't have to change it. I think I will, well, I might actually change it to like 1.5 to like 2.5 weeks or something like that, or like 2 to 3 weeks just to be safe, but I really don't think that I'm gonna need it. But anyway, I have a really exciting new release lineup for you. I can't speak. And I'm gonna get started with the non-kit items. So I'm coming out with a new line of Sidebar, like a new Sidebar collection, and I'm really excited about it. I've had these designed for like over a month and I just haven't released them yet, so I'm pretty excited about it. So I think I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. And sorry if you can hear Cooper. Gary just got home and he's like going crazy. He always like saves all of his energy for like when Gary gets home. Okay, so the first sidebar is a to buy list. I'm not gonna like go through these in too much detail because I mean they're pretty self-explanatory. You have a blank Monday through Sunday list. You have a work list, so you have Monday blank to blank all the way down through Sunday. You have a Happy Mail checklist, dinners log Monday through Sunday, a Monday through Sunday this week, a shop stats, so I did revenue, goal, and actual, orders, items sold, views, bill amount, and to check if you did expenses and to check that you got your deposit from Etsy, that is. A cleaning Monday through Sunday list, a to-do checklist, a blank totaled list, but you'll be able to see, yeah, a blank totaled list, but I originally made these, which is a spending totaled list. So you have like a space for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then a place to write your total. But I know a lot of people use these for steps, and I mean, you could even use them for like workout calories burned and stuff like that. So I wanted to make a blank one. You have steps, like I just said. You have pages read, hydrate, blank habits, no spend, and words written. So that is our entire line of sidebar stickers. I'm always open to adding more to the collection, so if you have a request, leave it in a comment down below or join the Facebook group and let me know. So yeah, that is our sidebar collection. So moving on, I'm gonna save my favorite collection to last. Actually, I need to show you, I'm gonna show you guys these first. Okay. So like last week, we are doing our free die cut with order promotion if you order within the first 72 hours. So we have two collections this week. We have Bambi and we have Harper. And with Bambi, you will be getting this cute little deer die cut, and with Harper, you're going to be getting this little cactus die cut. So obsessed with these two collections, but I think Bambi's my favorite because of the colors, and I think I'm actually going to use that this week. But yeah, so if you order within the first 72 hours, starting on Friday at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, you will get whatever coordinating die cut with the kit you order. If you order both, you get both die cuts. So yeah. So moving on to show you the kits, I will show you Harper first, and it is very Coachella inspired, very festival inspired. So I'm going to show you the No White Space collection first. So this is the only collection that will come with glitter headers. So you get the glitter headers. You can also buy these a la carte, by the way, if you do want them for your other kits. Glitter headers, you have these gorgeous full boxes with the marble background. You can use this for like anything. You could use it, like there are 7 boxes that don't mention Coachella. So if you're not going to Coachella, you can use it, or like a festival or anything like that. You could always trim this box so it's just the Ferris wheel, but it's just so boho and I love it. The cacti, I love it. The girl, so pretty. And the quote is, "Meet me where the music takes over your soul." I don't know if that's a quote. I just wrote it, but I thought it was cute. You have the functional sheet, and I love the colors of this collection, like so much. Headers and little things, checklists, the washi, which is just marble, and then you have a little bit of deco. and then the half boxes sheet. So that is the no white space kit, and like I said, that's the only kit that comes with glitter headers included. Then you have the white space kit, which is just 4 sheets. So you have the full boxes, the functional, the washi, oops, and the half boxes. So that's white space. I'm trying to go through this quickly because I don't like it when my new release videos are too long. And then you have the mini kit. So you have the full boxes and the functional sheet. And then with this collection, I did do a monthly kit, and this is the last monthly kit that's actually coming out in this style. I have a new style that's coming out the first week of March, so next week. I'll explain it all in the video next week, but yeah. You will not get the die cut though if you get the monthly kits. The die cut is only for any of the weekly collections. But yeah, so the monthly kit is awesome because it's just cacti and marble, so you can really use it for like anything. It's not like music festival-y. And then the quote for this is "Meet me in the desert under the stars." And you have the payday and headers. And then you have your checklists and date dots and stuff like that, some full boxes. And that is everything that comes in the base kit for the monthly kit. And then you have your monthly kit add-ons. So you have the finances add-on, the fitness add-on, the YouTube add-on, and the mom life add-on. And then you have the notes pages kits, and these are also changing. So for the next few weeks, I won't be having notes pages kits with our collections. I am working on a new design for them, but it hasn't been finalized yet. So this is notes page option B. And this is notes page option A. So that is everything for the Harper collection. Super excited about this. Super excited about this adorable die cut. I'm totally gonna be using this in my TN. And also, even if you don't have a traveler's notebook, you can totally use this like in your spread. I actually used the CHRISSY die cut that was a freebie in the Facebook group in my January monthly spread. So just an idea for you. You do have other options if you don't use a traveler's notebook. So last but not least is my favorite of this week, and that is Bambi. And it's not Bambi inspired, I just called it Bambi because of the deer. I'm not gonna lie. So first off, we have the No White Space collection with the glitter headers and the gorgeous full boxes. You guys, I am so obsessed with these full boxes. When I made these, I was like dying. And the quote for this is "Find joy in the simple things." And I think this fox is like my second favorite after the deer because I just love like his like happy little like smiling face. It's so cute. You have the functional page. Oh, just looking at this kit makes me so happy. The checklists, headers, and little things. The washi, and I did something different with the washi, so I put at the bottom, or you could put it at the top, it's totally up to you, a strip of glitter. So this one I did upside down, but it's meant to like obviously go on the bottom as well. But yeah, I just thought that that was really cute and it works really well. And I think for one of the collections in April, we also have this. So I'm really excited about it. And then we have the, oh, and I also did something different also with the scalloped labels. I made some of them with patterns, so let me know what you think of that. And also I did something a little bit different with the half boxes. I made more of them with patterns. So again, let me know what you think, if you like that or not. I did also change up the font on the day covers. I'm not gonna be doing this for every collection, but I just liked the dainty script font. So that is the No White Space collection. Then we have the White Space collection for Bambi. So you have the full boxes, the functional page, the washi, and the half boxes. And then last but not least, we don't have a monthly kit for this collection. We have the mini kit. So you have the full boxes and the functional page. So yeah, like I said, every collection ordered within the first 72 hours will get that free die cut. So if you want this adorable die cut, definitely buy within the first 72 hours. So that is everything for this week's new releases. I hope you enjoyed them. Be sure to join our email list because every Friday we send out Freebie Friday with a shop update and like most of the time I just like ramble about personal stuff and like encouragement and kind of like you can do it type stuff. So definitely join the email list. I always have a link in the description box down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like the new releases and I will see you next week. Bye!